Hello, Son Cubano class with La Suerte Dance School. We continue our course. We know that when you are learning son for the first time, the biggest problem is always to maintain the rhythm, to keep the rhythm, to be able to focus on dancing instead of just 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4. That's why we prepared this class for you today. We are going to dance all steps from our beginner's salsa warm-up in son rhythm. So this will be a solo class. If you haven't done our beginner's salsa course yet, and if you don't know the steps, I will add the link right now blinking. I will give you the playlist. Go through the steps first in basic salsa rhythm, then come back to this video and do it with us to the son rhythm. Okay, I'll put the music on straight away today. We are going with music. Pa, 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 pa. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. Keep basic. 2, 3, 4. And right turn. Up. And left turn. Up. Tick, tick, pa. Tick, tick, pa. Right turn, left turn. One after the other. Up. Tick, tick, pa. Tick, tick, pa. Tick, tick, poco. Tick, tick, poco. Right turn. And left turn. And we go front. 2, 3, 4. Right turn, only one. And back. Now left turn. Up. 2, 3, 4. Double right. Up. 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Double right turn. Up. Front. 2, 3, 4. Exhibela, side and cross. Ting, ting, pa. Ting, ting, pa. Ting, ting, pa. And front. Cross front and back. Left front. Right back. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And front. And we start complicating a bit. 2, 3, 4. Mambo Cubano. Hop. Tick, 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 tick. Mambo Cubano. Hop. Tick, tick, tick. Front. Cross and slide. 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, pa, 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 pa. Front. 2, 3, 4. Something more difficult, tapping on 8. We start on 5. Ping, 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 front. Tapping on 8. Tum, 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 pa, pa, tick, tick, pa, pa. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Again the same. Tick, 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 pa, 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 pa. 3 to 1. Tick, 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 tap, front. 3 to 1. Tick, 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 pa, pa, tick, tick, pa. 6, 7, 8. Quick 5. Up. 6, 2, 3, 4. Quick 5. Up. Tick, tick, pa. Pa, 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 pa. And basic. Front. Left turn one more time. Double right. Cross and slide. front.
Soy de allí.
Mira, Tarapa toca su tren.
Exhíbela.
Soy de allí.
Y eso también sépalo usted.
Soy de allí.
Soy de
And
allí
front.
del monte.
Soy de allí.
Soy de allí del monte.
And then chufla.
Soy de allí del monte.
2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
Allí del
Hook
monte.
turn.
Yo soy
Up,
de allí,
front.
señores, y allí moriré. En mi
Same
viejo
again, chufla.
bohío, que está a la entrada del batey. En mi viejo bohío,
And hook
que está a
turn.
la entrada del batey.
Okie dokie, these steps are not super sonish, yeah? So when it comes to the style, you could obviously make steps a lot more suitable for son, but it's more important at the beginning to get the rhythm right, and this is what we are concentrating on, and that's why we are using the steps we are familiar with, steps that we used in salsa course to practice son rhythm. If you would like to see more videos like that, and in general, continue the son course with us, remember to like, subscribe, and press the bell. Like, subscribe, and press the bell. Follow us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. You can become a patron of our channel. All links are in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.